Hi guys, welcome to Nintendo 2022. Vanessa here speaking, and today we have another unboxing video, and this is about the shoes that I bought in Shopee. Actually, it's for 1.6 dolls, and I'm not quite sure if it can fit an Android and a Bitsu and Kopush feet, because as I observe, sorry about that. By the way, where are we? Anyway, I'm not quite sure if it can fit, because as far as I observe with the fit of the Blythe, I think it's almost the size of Obitsu. Um, I don't know, but I'm just here to test, guys. And since we see the comparison, I believe that yeah, it can fit the dolls. But I really doubt how big it was for the other dolls. But let's see, okay? That's why some of my dolls are wearing socks. Obviously, I'm not showing you my address for safety reason. Alright, so let's see. Oh yeah, this is big. I think it will only fit Blythe. It can fit the rest of the dolls, honestly speaking, but with the size of the shoes, I will give you a comparison, okay? Oh, sorry, of how it look like. Alright, so here are the sample shoes, okay? By the way, wrong shoes, see. So, I just gathered the shoes and for this one, a Bitsu size, and the other, Kopush sandals, and the other one is Nandoroid dolls shoes, okay? All has magnets on the bottom, so we will see. Of course, every doll can fit this one, but it's very big. I will give you the comparison. Obviously, it's only for 1.6 dolls. Anyway, so this is how big it was. Okay, I will show you. So this is, I'll just use the red. We might get confused with our Beats shoes. Okay, so here is the red one. Okay, the one that I bought, and I gave an example. So this is the Obitsu shoes. See the comparison? So I believe it can fit all dolls, but they look like a clown if they will wear it. Too big for them. My gosh. And I'll give you a comparison as well with the rest, okay? This is Kopush sandals. So look at that. Again, too big for the Kopush, and for the Nandoroid doll, still too big. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not gonna fit it to the rest of the dolls since we figure it out that yeah, it's too big for them. Not their size at all. So I will just place it back on where I got these things, so I won't get confused, I won't misplace them. So now let's just fit it with my factory custom Blythe, and let's see. By the way, I will just show you what it look like so you may see if the quality is good. So here is the top, the front, the sides. I don't know if you can see clearly. So yeah, that is how it looks like. Kind of plain and simple, no heels at all. And I got 3 colors for such a small price, to be honest. So it's a good buy, to be honest. But let's see if it will fit the doll. Okay, that was meant for these shoes. So I've just fit in the red one for the Blythe doll. Oh, it fits right. Okay, this is nice. Honestly, you can't see if it's for right or left. There's no instruction, honestly speaking. So here it is. It fits perfectly fine. Okay, and what if she was wearing, let's say, leggings or stockings? Let's see if it still can fit in. I just show how hard it was to remove the shoes. I think that it won't fit if the Blythe doll is wearing leggings, because to be honest, it's so fitted. Okay, let's just see out of curiosity. Okay, I'll just make the Blythe wear these leggings. I almost forgot to fit the other shoes here. So we already fit the red shoes for the Blythe doll, and we'll tackle on the white shoes. Okay, this is how it looks like on the top, on the sides, front, side, back, bottom, same, just plain. I'm not quite sure if it can. Okay, now we'll see if it still fits the doll. Now I get it why I'm having a hard time to put it on, because look at the fit of that Blythe doll. Sorry, compared to this. I think it's for the other foot. Oh, it fits. Fits quickly there. And as far as I observed, there is a lining here. I'm not sure if it can be caught in the camera, or where they connect the 2 parts of the shoes. Probably on how it was made. But it's not that obvious. This one is obvious. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Wow, it fits well. Let's try the black one. Have a hard time to imagine if I have a Blythe doll, that factory Blythe doll that has a long hair. Honestly, it's very hard. This one with short hair, the head is heavy. Okay, so let's try the black. I almost forgot again to show it to you. So here is the black shoes, and honestly, those are so cute. Don't know if you can see clearly. So there you go. It's nice shoes. So as I told you, there's lining. But it's not that obvious with black. Sometimes. See, there is. There's a lining even here. So I can't blame it. It's just cheap shoes. I will put the link below on where I bought it. So yeah, let's see if it will fit. It fits perfectly fine. So here you go. Very nice fit, but I'm not sure if it can still fit if the doll is wearing let's say leggings or stockings. I'm not quite sure, but we will see. Alright, I'll make the lifestyle wear, I think, stockings first. The one that she has on the full set, remember? I'll just make her wear this one, the one that I got from the full set of this doll. So we'll check if it can fit while she was wearing this. Okay, so then let's just take a look. Please forgive the noise if you hear it. It's from our neighbors. So let's see what we got. Let's start first again with the red. Oops. It jumped. It gave up right away. I hope that you won't find this boring, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, it fits. It fits. Wow, I was shocked. That's nice. So yeah, it fits the red shoes. I hope the other shoes as well. So it can fit if the doll is wearing just lacy sock, or I don't know what you call this. Stockings can be, but I'm not quite sure if it can fit the leggings, because this one has a thicker fabric. Okay, all right, so let's see. The black fits perfectly fine. So how about the white? Can it fit? Oof. Yeah, it does. Now, let's have a challenge with these leggings, okay? I'm so curious. So, I'll be back with a lifestyle wearing this, because honestly speaking, this one, it's very hard to make the doll wear this. Okay, so I'll be back. Right, so there you go. My lifestyle is wearing the leggings, and let's test if still the shoes will fit in while my lifestyle is wearing a legging that has a thicker fabric. Okay, honestly, this fabric is from a stretch shirt. Okay, and let's see if it can fit. See why I doubted. It doesn't fit. It can fit, I think, if... Oh, it's fitting. But you have to force it. Alright, so let's see. I think the plastic is stretchable. Or was it made of rubber? I'm not sure. Oh dear, but you have to force it. I just hope that we don't have a hard time to remove it, as it's very hard. Doesn't cooperate. No, it won't fit. You have to force it to fit. Okay, I'm not sure if you will like the result, because look at the result. I just force it to fit in. So you can see the dolls if you want to see the dolls. See? But it worked by force. And still you can remove the shoes. Oh, whoa. How about the other shoes? You just need to force it. Give it a push so it can fit. Oh, whoa, it fits. Oh, it's fitting. I'm so surprised. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I just hope that after this unboxing and fitting, these shoes will stay the same. Like they are not loose for my doll's feet. So let's see the black. Nice, it fits. Okay. But it's hard for the black one again. You have to force it. There you go. Yeah. Which is really nice, but it's obvious on the front that it was forced. Anyway, I think that you just need to arrange it, probably so it won't be obvious. Alright, so here you go. Really nice. Okay, so therefore we conclude that these shoes can't fit the Obitsu 11 cm, Nendoroid doll, and as well as Kupush because it's too big for them. Okay, while for this doll, the factory Blythe with Nemo body, it can fit perfectly. Okay, to be honest with you, and it can fit even though your doll is wearing leggings at the same time. If this doll was wearing, what do you call this? A very thin socks, okay? Or let's say, I almost forgot what it's called, stockings. Yeah, stockings, sorry. Anyway, I just hope that you may find this unboxing fitting video be useful for you, and I will put the link below on where I bought it so that you may check it, okay? And it's an affordable price, to be honest with you, for 3 shoes. It is definitely. So anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and sending you all peace, love, and light. Bye.